Namaskar everyone. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Students, in our previous aptitude lecture, you have completed chapter number 18 on page number 45. Chapter 18, Mathematical Operations. So today we will do the page number 46 and 47 of chapter number 18, Mathematical Operations. Okay, so get ready for it. Sit with your rough notebook, okay, and pencil eraser. So first question is subtract. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. अब इसके अंदर जो भी हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे वो सब्ट्रैक्शंस के होंगे. मीन्स ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर बेस्ड ऑन सब्ट्रैक्शंस. नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर्स by using all the digits 7, 2, 0 and 4. Means we have to make 5 digit smaller number and also bigger number by using the 7, 2, 0 and 4. So what should be our greatest number? Here is when we will use 7, 2, 0 and 4, we will get the greater number as 7420. Okay, and the smallest number will be 2047. So now what we have to do? We will minus 2447 from 7420. So difference will be 5373. This is our greatest number and this is our smallest number. So minus the smallest number from the greatest number, then we will get the 5373. Okay, now the next is observe the following subtractions. Find the missing digits. Here are some digits are missed, so we have to find it. So how will we find it? Here is 3. In question, the bigger number, on the place of ones, the bigger number is 3, and here difference is also 3. So when we will get the difference 3, when we subtract 0 from 3. Okay, when we subtract 0 from 3, so write here 3. Okay, ऐसे 8, 9, यहाँ पर खाली 6, 3, then write here 0. We have to see firstly एक step by step. Okay, here is difference is 3. Now here is 6 and 3 on the place of tens. So 6 and 3, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So on the place of S we will write the 3 again. Okay, and on the place of P what should be here? Here is smallest number is 6 and difference is 2. So when we add 6 plus 2 it will come 8. Okay, P is equal to 8. P is equal to 8. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now here is 9 and here is blanks. Once again we have to find the missing number. So difference is 4. When we will get 4 difference? When we minus 5 from 9. Okay, so here is 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Now 8 minus 3, it is also given here 5. Okay, so it should be our answer. P is equal to 8, Q 5 and S is equal to 3. R is equal to 0. Okay, now find the third number is find the difference of the place value of 2 fours in 4416 means 4416 is given. What we have to do? Find the difference from the place value of fours. Any fours, 2 fours. 2 fours, here is 2 4 given in this number, and we have to find the difference of the place value of 2 fours. So here is ones, tens, 100. ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर पे 4 है, its place value is 400. Okay, and the second 4 is stand on the 1000 place, so 4000. Now find the difference. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now here is 0 and 4. So we will borrow from here. So it will convert into 10. Now 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And here is remaining number is 3. So write here 3. So 3600 is our answer. Okay. Now the fourth question. What number should be subtract from smallest 5-digit number to get the largest 4-digit number? So what should we will do the what we will do here? Firstly, find out the 5-digit number. Which number? Smallest 5-digit number. So what is smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 10,000 is our smallest 5-digit number. Now what we have to get? 4-digit, largest 4-digit number लेना है. Okay. So what should be subtract from the smallest? 1. Now we will minus the 1 from 10,000, then we will get the largest 4-digit number. Here is 0. Okay, so we will borrow 1 from here because it is also 0, it is also 0. So this 0 will borrow from here and it will convert into 10. Then it borrow from here. So now it's converting 9 and it's 10. So likewise it will convert 9 and this will convert 100 in 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, now here 9s are remaining only. So note down the 9. Right here 9. So we will get the 9,999. So asking, what is asking here? What number should be subtract? So right here 1. When we will subtract 1 from 10,000, we will get the 4-digit largest number. Okay. Now the fifth number question is, what number should be subtract from 5,000 to get 600? What number should be subtract to get hundreds? Okay, so here is 5,000. Okay, do the 5,000 and minus 600. Then answer will be subtracted 0. 0 minus 0. Now here we will borrow from here. Then it will convert in 10. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. And here is remaining only 4 because it's gave to this 0. 1 it's gave to this 0. So now here is 4. So write down the 4. So answer is 4,400. Okay. Now question number 6. The difference between two number is, difference means when we get the answer after subtracting two numbers, we have 4,000 527. Okay, if the greatest number is, अब जो हमने subtraction किया, when we subtract any number we have two numbers, one is greater and second is smallest. So we have a small largest number, we have greatest number or largest number 6196. Okay, find the smallest number means इसमें से हमने क्या माइनस किया, then we have 4527. So what we have to do, we will subtract this answer from this largest number, then we will get the 1669. It will our answer. Okay, now question number 7, 8 and 9 and 10 you have to do in homework. Okay, firstly do with yourself and after then do the correction from the PDF which I will send you. Okay everyone, so on page number 46 you have to do question 7 to 10 in HW in your textbook. Firstly do in rough notebook, solve it in rough notebook and then write the answer in your textbook. Okay students, now come on the page number 47. Multiplication. Now we have to do multiplication. On this page all the questions are based on multiplication. Okay, so first is find the product of the greatest 3-digit number. Find the product of the greatest 3-digit number. When we multiply a number, then which answer comes, it's known as the product. So now find the product of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So what is the greatest 3-digit number? 999 and smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, so when we will multiply both the number, what will become? 99,900. Okay, 99,900 will come as a product. Okay, now the second question is find the product to the place value of the face value of 5 in, here is number 735,676, mean its number, which number is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, means 7,35,676 में what you have to do, we have to see the place value of 5. What is the place value of 5? It is 1000. Now see the face value of 5. So face value is 5. Now multiply. Then when we will multiply 5,000 by 5,000 by 5, we will get the 25,000. Okay, so our answer is 25,000. Now the next question, third is what is the product of 306 and 64? Round off the nearest thousand. When we will multiply 3006 with 64, we will get which answer? Do the multiplication. 306 with 64. So 6 4 ja, when we will read the table of 4 6 times, we will get the 24. 4 6 ja 24. Okay, and carry over 2. Then 4 0 ja 0, but here is 2 carry, so we will write here 2. Now 4 3 ja 12. Okay, now again ये number हमारा हो गया, so we will put here 0 for it. Okay, and now start from here 6 6 36 and carry over is 3. Now 6 0 ja 0, but 3 is carry over, so we will write here 3. Now 6 3 ja 18. Okay, now add both the number. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and 1. ओके, सो नाउ अब यहाँ पर बच्चों देखो, जो माइनस करके आया वो हमारा क्या आया, ये यहाँ पर 19,584 19,584 answer comes 19,584. Now question is asking round of the nearest thousand. Now अब हमें क्या करना है, इसका नियरेस्ट 1000 फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द नियरेस्ट 1000, वी विल सी द नंबर ऑफ 100. जब भी हमें नियरेस्ट 1000 नियरेस्ट 100 कैलकुलेट करना होता है और नियरेस्ट टेंस और वंस, तो हम अगर हमें 1000 फाइंड आउट करना है तो वी विल सी द डिजिट विच इज़ ऑन द 100th place. ओके, सो हियर इज़ 5 एंड यू नो जब 5 और 5 से ज़्यादा नंबर होते हैं तो वी विल कैलकुलेट द नेक्स्ट नंबर. जैसे 1 to 10 है, 1 to 10 है, इसमें 5 से 5 या उससे ज़्यादा है तो हम नेक्स्ट 10th नंबर को जोड़ते हैं, और अगर 5 से कम है तो इधर बैकवर्ड चलते हैं, इस वाले 10th को जोड़ते हैं. ओके, तो यहाँ पर 5 है, तो जब यहाँ पर इसमें 9,584 का जब हम नियरेस्ट फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो 9 के बाद 1 प्लस हो जाएगा, यानी नेक्स्ट वाला ये 9,000 है तो विच विल कम 10,000. तो जब हम इसमें 10,000 ऐड करेंगे देन वी विल गेट द 20,000. ओके, सो अवर आंसर इज 20,000. ओके, हियर इज 20,000. व्हाट firstly find out the product of 306 and 64, then we will get the 19,584, and the nearest 1000 of 19,584 will come 20,000. Okay, now here is fourth question. 48 multiply 2000 can be also expressed as a 4800 multiply by 20. It is true? Yes, it will true. Okay, and 2 इसे ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करो या फिर 4800 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20. ओके, देखो 48 8 2 जा 16 4 8 2 4 जा 8 1 plus 76 and here is 1 2 3 30 1 2 3. it will come same. ये दोनों तरीके से यही आंसर आएगा 76,000. ठीक है, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, सो राइट हियर यस. ओके, नाउ फिफ्थ नंबर, ट्वाइस अ सर्टेन नंबर इज 36. कोई नंबर है जो ट्वाइस यानी डबल करे तो 36 बनता है ना. व्हाट इज 6 times ऑफ दैट नंबर? सो अवर नंबर इज 18. व्हेन वी प्लस 18 इज इक्वल टू 36. 18 plus 18 means 18 multiplied by 2, यानी 18 2s. Now what we have to find out? 6 times of that number. It means 18 multiply 6 is equal to 108. You can also individually write here 18 plus 18, 18 plus 18, 18 plus 18 6 times, and also do the plus. But what is multiplication? It is a short addition. So we will do the 18 into 6 means 18 का टेबल 6 टाइम पढ़ो, then we will get the 108. okay, so now question number 6 7 8 9 and 10 you have to do in your homework. also on page number 47. Okay, firstly do with yourself, do it in rough notebook, okay, and after then write in your textbook. Okay student, so now our today's work is completed. We did the page number 46 and 47 of chapter number 18 mathematical operation. In our next lecture we will do the page number 48 and 49 and 50. Okay, 48, 49 and 50 we will do in our next video lecture. Okay students, so now take care. Goodbye everyone.